Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. You guys have a Chevy Cruze, guys, and you have a MAF sensor light on, engine light on that relates to MAF sensor. Code is related to MAF sensor, guys. We'll show you guys probably how you can fix that very inexpensive. Also, it's something I'll recommend to do maybe every third or fourth oil change, so you can keep the MAF sensor in good condition and the car running correctly. We'll show you guys how to clean MAF sensor. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this Chevy Cruze. So please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can. We will also be adding another Chevy Cruze to the collection very soon. It will be with a different engine, so we'll try to cover all the engines coming very soon, guys. Now, all the mechanical, interior and body parts videos will be on this channel, and you can find electrical videos, for this car on our new channel. Check it out, we will start uploading quite a few videos there. So, what we need to do now, guys? First, we need to open the hood. So, open the hood now. Support it really good, and for the 1.8 Ecotec engine, that's where your MAF sensor is located. So we'll need to remove that thing to clean it, guys, and I'm going to show you how to do that, in just a second. So, what do we need to get? Fuel head screwdriver, guys. You can find all the parts and tools, including this screwdriver, listed in the description of the video below. So, we have two screws, one here, one on the bottom. We need to go ahead and remove those now. One is out. Second one. Perfect. Now we go ahead and gently pull that thing out. There is a rubber seal here, and you can see that safety pin, that red pin on the back. That thing will need to come out. So grab it with your finger or a screwdriver, and just pull that thing out. Now, that tooth you need to press in, press it in, and at the same time, wiggle your sensor out. Do not touch this sensor with your fingers because you'll damage it. It's extremely fragile, and also it's very, very easy to contaminate. Even though we'll be cleaning it, it's important how you put it together later. So let's go ahead and start cleaning it now. So now, guys, this package is an amazing deal. Check it out, it's listed in the description of the video below. This is for mass airflow cleaner, for MAF sensor. This is for total body and air intake. This thing, guys, as you can see, it says instant horsepower increase and MPG, because clean sensors will make your car run better. Now, all we have to do, guys, all we have to do, shake it a little bit, and you're going to, clean that sensor here, this is the one that's reading. So it's important, guys, to clean that little bitty guy, right here. Also, on this sensor, you will not be able to get all of the components. And why is that? Because some of them are hidden. But clean everything as much as you can without soaking it too much. The good part about it, this thing usually dries really fast, you can see, and it will not cause damage. Unless you flood it all the way. So, all we have to do from that point on, let it dry in the open air, and you can, guys, put it together in a few minutes. So thank you for watching, please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.